All in. Gathered well by Rakovsky. He's looking to get Nürnberg going, and what a take! And this is a real chance for Sylvestr! What a goal! Nürnberg make it 2-0! Great link-up play between the goalkeeper, Patrick Rakovsky, and Jakub Sylvestr up top. He gets the plaudits from his teammates. Well, even the cameraman doesn't know where it's going. It's got so much whip on it, the delivery. And Sylvestr keeps his cool, rounds the keeper, and Konstantin Engel can't get there either on the line. One of the quickest counter-attacks I think we'll see in a while. Great goal, Nürnberg, 2-0.